We've just released a bunch of new functionality. So we started with Zune, which allows you to have instant on, 1080p streaming, 5.1 to your television. Everything instantly starts. We've got 25,000 pieces of content, every major studio, every major network. Really changes our video marketplace. And we added Facebook so that I can get great photos onto my screen, so that I can find other friends that have Xboxes and I can link them into our social network. Last.fm, where I can enjoy all of this great music content and real discovery engine. And of course Twitter. So tons of great stuff that's been coming to the service. Since we launched Xbox One, we had an Ethernet port and we had a headset. And it was always about how are we going to connect people together to have games, and how are we going to create these really unique experiences. And I always sort of ask people, is like, have you ever heard anyone refer to the audience of Halo? No, you only hear them refer to the community of Halo. But on the other end of the screen, everybody always says the audience of the Super Bowl or the Desperate Housewives. I think the magic comes when you think of community and empowering content experiences, whether those games, which we've certainly seen, but all of the new types of experiences, whether it's photos or just sharing or television and video, that will really change how people think about this medium. So we have multiple things on the system. So our Zune Video Marketplace is transactional. You can rent sort of pay-per-view and video on demand, or you could buy electronic sell-through in either standard def or in 1080p. So you have all of those options, and anyone is able to do that. We also have options like as with Netflix, where you can, as a subscriber in Gold and Netflix, you get all-you-can-eat video streaming to your console. So what we believe is all of these business models are really important, and it's about users having that choice to find the content that they want and have great experiences around that content. We're really focused on how social and content comes together to make new experiences. And what we believe in is that huge networks of people playing, sharing, communicating, and creating experiences that are really tailored in a unique way changes the game. And so think about something like Facebook. We didn't say, hey, can I copy Facebook from the web and put it into the living room? Instead, we said, what's special about the social experience of Facebook, and how do I bring out things like photos and make it a really special experience? And another great example there is we recently launched a partnership with Sky B in the UK that brought live streaming television for the first time to a game console. And it's an amazing experience to me when you bring up the programming guide. And the programming guide looks just like the programming guide on your TV, except on top of it is if you have a friend in a certain channel, you'll see that friend's icon, and you can sort of immediately go and sort of join a friend while you watch the soccer game together. And that sort of land of bringing social and entertainment together is how we think about the world. In our world, they have two needs. They have this need to be entertained and this need to share with each other. And everything we've ever done, it's been about bringing more content, the content you want, or bringing more about sort of the people you care about and making it easier for you to personalize who you are or to share with your friends. Like, it's immediately consumed. People love it and they just want more. And so there's this deep need, and it's sort of the beauty of where we are. The technology is there. We kind of have the tools to build these experiences, and now it's just building these new unique ways that people can share together. Like, I think the next 3 to 5 years and beyond is all about this experimentation, these options for consumers, these options for partners, to make sure that you have all of those different business models. Like, I think people are mistaken when they think there is a business model that is going to win. Like, that's not actually going to be the case. Like, the world is going to be more elegant, more full-featured, and richer because of all of these things existing.